Oh, hey Ash. I'm just trying to think of an ending for the story I'm writing on. Whoever's idea it was to make finding inspiration so hard, I am coming for them, because why is it so hard to find any good inspiration?
I'm home.
Hi. How was work today?
It was alright. How have you been? Still writing that story of yours?
Yeah, I am. But I'm struggling.
On what?
I'm trying to think of an ending that doesn't sound rushed, and that seems like actual time and effort was put into it.
Let me see. If you don't mind.
No, not at all.
This Outlet girl sounds like a good character. I'm guessing she's the love interest?
Yeah, she's the main love interest of the main character.
Have you gotten any ideas?
I'm not sure. Originally I was gonna go with a memory erasing plot, but since my writing abilities has grown, I've come to understand that memory erasing plots, while some people can pull them off, it can be a bit weak. Especially after a huge set of development.
Maybe try and take a breather. You've been working on the story for almost a week.
I know, but when you get into something like this, it's hard to get out.
I know, but there's no rush to get this out, is there?
Well, I want to get this out by the end of the month at the very least.
Carson, all of the best stories work well because the creator didn't rush them. If you want the story to be the best as it can be, you can't rush this. Besides, what's a few hours?
I guess you're right. Besides, it would be good for Ash to get out of the house for a few hours. Oh, that reminds me. Do you, by chance, want to come with?
I think I'll sit this one out. I need some time to rest after work.
I see. That's okay. I'd rather have you be rested than sleep deprived.
Have fun, though.
I will, hun. Don't worry.
I'd recognize that red hoodie anywhere.
Huh? Oh. Hey, Tesla.
Hey, Carson. And Ash. What are you doing out here?
I'm taking Ash here on a walk, but I also need a break.
A break? From what? Kai?
What? No, I needed a break from writing.
Elaborate.
I've been writing a small story. A fanfic in a way. But I'm having a bit of what people call writer's block at the minute. I'm stuck of thinking of an ending.
I can see why that would be annoying, as someone who has written their own story in the past.
Wait, you wrote something story-like and never told us?
It was before we became friends.
I see then.
To be fair, it's not really done. I kinda stopped because I couldn't think of new material.
So, writer's block then.
Kind of.
Well, if it's not too much of a bother, well, can I hear the story you've been working on?
Of course! Okay, so, in a world not so different from our world, we have a girl and her pet dragon. Her name is Moonlight Sparkcat. She was very introverted and focused on her studies.
Wait, I feel like I've heard this before.
No, you haven't! Okay, one day, she was given a task where she had to make friends, an introvert's worst nightmare. She met 5 wonderful girls, Pinky Cake, Flutterfloosh, Rainbine, Clarity, and Jackapple.
Why does this sound like a shitty retelling of My Little Pony Friendship is Magic?
No, it isn't. It's so totally an original story that has never been told before.
Listen, you may want to get some of it worked out. People aren't stupid. They'll notice the similarities almost instantly. I mean, some people say I look like Aaron from Aphmau. Just because I have dark hair.
Fine. Don't come crying to me when my story is one of the best selling out there.
I don't think I will. Although...
What?
Your story has given me an idea for my story.
Let's hear it.
I should kill off a character!
What?
Yes! Yes!
Okay, now, why would you do that to your own characters?
Because I love them so much!
Now, let's not get too hasty.
Thank you for the idea, Tessa. See you around. Or not.
I don't even know what I did.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high.
How'd it go?
You make all my dreams come true.
It was amazing. And now I have a new way to finish the story I'm working on. I'm gonna kill off a character. Now, if you don't mind.
We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way that
Not at all. Oh, God.
get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine.